Yawning. We all do it, but why? Is it because we're tired or bored? Well, it's more fascinating than that. One theory says yawning helps cool down our brain. When we yawn, we take in a big gulp of air, which helps regulate brain temperature, like a built-in air conditioner. Plus, yawning is contagious. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger it. Scientists believe this may be linked to empathy and social bonding. Speaking of which, I bet you're yawning right now. Let me know if I got you. Subscribe for more fascinating medical facts.